Hi, we have got a brand new set of FOBO bike here, which is the second product from the brand FOBO, and this is a tire pressure monitoring system for a bike. Yeah. So a bike can be considered as a motorcycle, a bicycle, a trike, a reverse trike, yeah, and etc. So this set comes with two sensors in the box, and you see that there is a tool wrench and a lock nut for you to lock the sensors onto the tires. So on this box, there's also a quick start guide that you should read before you install the set. You flip it open. It has got a step-by-step instruction to guide you through the entire installation. So before we actually start installing the FOBO bike to this motorcycle here, important note is you should not screw on any of the sensors to the tire before the app prompts you to do so. So later on I'll show you an app that would guide you through the entire installation. First, you must download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. The app name is called FOBO Bike, and this is exactly how it looks like, the icon. After you have downloaded the app for free, launch the app and it will prompt you to log in. So for first time user, key in your email address. When you click login, it will send an activation email to the email address that you have entered here, and then you need to activate it and you can log in. For repeat user, just key in the email and click on login. It will just go straight in. So logging in now. Okay, this is the main page of the FOBO Bike app. So once you're on this main page, to start to add a set, click on the plus sign on the top left corner, and over here you're prompted to choose what kind of vehicles that you have. Is it motorbike or bicycle, trike, reverse trike, bike plus left side car or right side car, and last one is a quad bike. Yeah. So depending on the types of bike that you have, choose the right one. And the default FOBO bike set comes with two sensors, and if you have a trike or you have a quad bike, you need to purchase additional sensors from the web store, from the FOBO web store. Okay, so today I'm here to install a set on a bike I have right in front of me here. So I'll choose a bike on the app, click on confirm. Okay. So it will prompt me to fill up some details of my bike. So what I'll do is I'll just key in the name of my bike. I'll just call it my bike. Yeah, I'll take a photo of the bike. Photo here. Okay, alright. Use the photo. Here you can change the different pressure units, kPa, psi or bar. The temperature you can choose from degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. And now it's important that you key in your recommended pressure for your bike. For this bike I have in front of me, I'll choose the recommended pressure as 160. And if you now observe that as I choose the recommended pressure, I scroll through the wheel here, the min and max is defined by itself automatically. So the recommended I put in here is 160 for my bike, the min is 145, and the max is 200 kPa. So for advanced user, you can actually manually adjust your min and max over here. Yeah. But in this case, I'll just leave it as a default. Yeah, done. I have to key in the same thing for the rear tire. I'll move the recommended to 160 on my bike. Yeah, and click on done. So now I've keyed in the picture of my bike, name of my bike, the units I like to read, and the recommended pressure that is suitable for my bike here. So I click on done on the top right corner, and here they will actually prompt you to install the real tire sensor. So on the box here, as you see, there's two sensors. So I'll just pick any of the sensors. It doesn't matter, there's no marking on the sensors, so they're universal. So what I'll do is I need to screw on this sensor now to the tire. As you remember in my introduction, I strongly state that do not screw in the sensors to the bike until the app prompts you to do so. So the right way is you only screw in the sensors when the app prompts you to do so. Hold the phone right next to the sensor, click on OK, and it will start pairing now. Alright, done. So the real sensors has been paired. and the app is now prompting us to install the front tire sensor. So I'll pick the other sensor from the box. I'll install it on the front tire, screw it on, hold the phone very close to the sensors, click on OK. We'll start pairing now. Done. So the installation process is done. My bike is shown in the main screen. Tap on the screen and you can actually read the front pressure of the bike now is 162 and the rear pressure of the bike now is 157. Okay, so now I'll guide you through to uninstall the set. So in order to uninstall the set, click on the settings screen on the top right corner. It says release bike sensor. Tap on it and the instruction will say that to release the sensor, you need to long press on the sensors that you want to release. So what I'll do is I'll release the front sensor first. So I'll hold 5 seconds on the box. Yeah, it says release sensor. So what I need to do now is I need to go to the physical sensors to remove it from the tire valve. Wait for 8 seconds, screw it back on the tire valve and click OK. So this is the front tire I have here. So what I'll do is I'll remove the sensors from the tire valve, completely remove it, wait for 8 seconds. Alright, then I'll screw the sensors back to the tire valve. Now I need to hold my phone very close to the sensors. Click on OK, and it's releasing the front tire sensors now. Alright, done. So the front tire sensor is released. Now, as you see in the app here, it says release on the front tire, and now I want to proceed to remove the rear sensors. So the same procedure. Tap on the settings screen, release a bike sensor. It will tell you to tap on the box or the sensors that you want to release for 5 seconds. Hold on the rear sensors now, the box. Yeah, and the message will prompt. So do not click OK. Follow the instruction on the screen and says that remove the sensors from the tire valve. Wait for 8 seconds. Reinstall it, screw it back onto the tire valve, and then only click OK. So now we go to the rear tire. So now I'm at the rear tire of the bike. Right here. So I'll remove the sensors from the tire valve. Now wait for 8 seconds. Oops, dropped it. So wait for 8 seconds. Yeah, and after 8 seconds, screw it back onto the tire valve. Hold your phone very close to the sensor. Tap on OK. So you see the instruction that says release completed. Click on OK and you see the screen on the app here that says both sensors are being released. But however, your bike is still here. Yeah, and to remove this bike completely from your screen, you actually need to do a swap from left to right. Oh, sorry, from right to left. Click on the delete word. And there's a warning that says that all your data will be erased. Click on OK. Now you have completely removed the bike. However, please note that you are not able to completely remove the bike if you have not released both sensors. Both sensors must be released together in order for you to delete the bike. If any one of the sensors are still active, yeah, or disabled, yeah, you are not able to release or to completely delete the bike off the app over here.